I am going to read English newspaper. Haryana leaders of BJP and Congress descend on Delhi for poll campaign. New Delhi is not just geographically surrounded by Haryana, but its political landscape also heavily influenced by the neighboring state, as all the major political parties deployed top Haryana leaders to sway voters ahead of the February 5 assembly elections. Besides Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, several union and state ministers from the state, as well as leaders from opposition parties like Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, are actively campaigning in Delhi. Taking an aggressive stance, Chief Minister Saini has launched an intensive campaign against his Delhi counterpart Arvind Kejriwal, countering the latter's claim that Haryana is responsible for discharging untreated industrial effluents into the Yamuna River. The Bharatiya Janata Party has deployed a formidable team of Haryana leaders, including Union Minister Manohar Lal and Krishnapal Gujjar. In total, 60 senior BJP leaders from Haryana, including members of parliament, have been assigned key responsibilities across various Delhi constituencies. The Saffron Party is focusing on mobilizing key voter groups such as OBCs, Punjabis, and Jats. BJP's election strategy includes a strong push in South Delhi, where Union Minister and Faridabad MP Krishnapal Gujjar is leading the campaign in 10 constituencies. Haryana Education Minister Mahipal Dhanda is spearheading efforts in West Delhi, while senior BJP figures such as former Haryana Assembly Speaker Gyan Chand Gupta, former ministers Kamal Gupta, Banwari Lal, and Manish Grover have been assigned specific areas. The BJP is highlighting the achievements of the Haryana government under Chief Minister Sani, drawing comparisons with AAP's governance in Delhi to garner voter support. Meanwhile, the Congress party has also enlisted its Haryana leadership. Senior leaders Kumari Selja, Randeep Surjewala, Dipender Singh Hooda, and former Union Minister Virendra Singh have been roped in to focus on Jat-dominated constituencies. However, notable absentees from the Congress star campaigner list include former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda and Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee President Uday Bhan, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal, who himself hails from Haryana, is leveraging leveraging his state's influence to mobilize voters. The campaign has taken on a caste-driven dimension, with a particular emphasis on Jat voters, as leaders from the community actively canvass in Delhi. Beyond electoral strategies, political tensions between Delhi and Haryana have escalated over Yamuna River pollution. The war of words between Chief Minister Saini and Chief Minister Kejriwal have thrust environmental concerns into the political spotlight, further interventing the politics of the two states in this election season. Political observers note that Haryana plays a crucial role in Delhi's elections due to the large number of voters with roots in the state. Additionally, Haryana is a major supplier of milk, vegetables, and other essential to the national capital, with Delhi being surrounded by Haryana districts such as Sonipat, Jhajjar, Gurugram, and Faridabad. The state's political influence on the capital is undeniable. They said that Delhi also depends on Haryana for manpower, which is why all political parties have deployed Haryana leaders to strengthen their electoral prospects in the upcoming polls. Thank you guys for watching.